Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Lei cha is a mixture of peanuts, rice, and other grains. Hakka people from Guangdong brought lei cha to Hualien after the war. Lei cha can be watered down and drunk, and that's one of the most popular ways to enjoy it. While some Hakka people drink lei cha, you can also eat it as a food. Guests are often treated to a lei cha drink or snack.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello， 大家好，我係林澤修。I loved saying my Hakka name. 如果我要叫阿修就好了，那怎麼講？
做對啦，阿修。
叫阿修顧啊。
為什麼叫顧呢？
為什麼要顧？
就是客家的男生就叫顧，
是這樣子嗎？
女生叫馬，就像你叫阿修就阿修顧，如果是女生就叫阿修馬。
不要叫錯了，不要叫錯了。我係阿修顧。All right, this whole month we're talking about food related to the Hakka culture. And here's one item that we talk about often, but I think we should talk about it again anyways. 虽然我们这个擂茶已经聊过很多次，可是毕竟它也是一个最有名也是一个很精髓的一部分客家文化里面了。
对啦，它也可以当成一个点心啊，也可以当成一个正餐来吃。
Yeah, it's actually a tea, but it's a dessert tea. It can be used like a dessert too. It's called the lei tea, and that's because the ingredients are very special. 其实这个不用你来介绍，我知道里面会有花生，会有芝麻，有茶叶，然后就把它磨在一起啊。
可是这些客家话我搞吗？
有点忘了耶，
有点忘了哈。
我知道花生是反挑 ，See, I knew a little bit. 反挑 that's peanut. 芝麻的话是买，对，买。And then 茶叶就是
茶米，
茶米，
对不对？
茶米茶米。Okay, so there's 茶米 which is tea leaves, 麦 which is sesame, and there's 反条which is 花生 peanuts.
对，然后把这些三个材料啊，可能再加点别的东西，拿了擂面来。
这个动作就叫擂，是不是？
对，就是研磨，就是擂。
就是擂那样子。
所以擂茶的意思就是要把那个给磨碎，然后擂茶。
Okay. Again, you put all those ingredients together in a bowl with a special utensil. You start grinding it, and it's a lot of fun. 其实还蛮好玩的啦。
在喝之前可以先运动一下。
对，然后
运动完之后呢，就会觉得它踢配后淋。
没错，每一个人都会说我的最好喝这样子。
没错。
So hopefully you can make some holim, 也就是很好喝的茶就对了。
对。
All right, that does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺子 say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.